Today on Historia.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we will be discussing 5 remarkable African presidents who dedicated their lives to the cause of unity and progress in Africa. These leaders played a crucial role in shaping the continent's political landscape and promoting development across the board. 1. Nelson Mandela. Serving as the first black president of South Africa, Mandela led the country out of apartheid and towards an inclusive democracy. His tireless efforts to unite a divided nation, particularly through the Truth and Reconciliation Commission, earned him the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. To Julius Nyerere, Tanzania's first president, Nyerere advocated for a non-aligned, socialist approach to politics and economics. His vision of a united, prosperous Africa was instrumental in fostering cooperation among East African nations, paving the way for the African Union. 3. Botswana's Festus Mogae. As the first African president to be democratically elected, Mogae's leadership in Botswana ushered in a new era of peace and prosperity in the region. His emphasis on education, healthcare, and infrastructure development transformed the lives of millions of people. 4. Ethiopia's Sheikh Moza bint Nasser al-Mozaffar. As the first female president of Qatar, al-Mozaffar has worked tirelessly to promote women's rights and empowerment in Africa. Under her leadership, Qatar has provided significant financial and development assistance to African countries, helping to combat poverty and unemployment. 5. Ghana's John Kufuor. Kufuor's leadership during Ghana's first multi-party democracy was marked by economic growth and social stability. He worked to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor, promote education, and ensure that Africa's voice was heard on the global stage. These 5 African presidents, through their dedication and efforts, have left a lasting legacy in the pursuit of unity and progress on the African continent. Their contributions will continue to be remembered and celebrated for years to come.